Hi YouTube. I know you're gonna hate me because it's another wig video, but I just went to New York and I tried to vlog while I was in New York, but there's just too much going on, so like the vlog is all over the place, so I'm just not gonna upload it. But yeah, another wig video. This wig is from UNice hair. All of the details about the wig will be on the screen somewhere. So yeah, let's get into the video. The unit came like pre-plucked or whatever, but I did go in and just like pluck a little. You guys know I kind of don't like, if the unit's pre-plucked, I don't even bother like really plucking that much, because wigs, the hair just falls out over time, so there's no point in like over plucking, and I have a tendency to over pluck, so yeah. So yeah, I already have a wig cap on. It's back there. I don't plan on keeping this wig on too long, so I'm literally gonna use a Got To Be. I'm using this to glue down the wig today. Haven't used it in forever, so this should be interesting. I'm going in. Ooh, it's cold. I feel like I've been really into curly wigs lately. Okay, that was like a thickish layer. Let me get the blow dryer. Okay. Oh my god, I totally forgot to cut myself an earpiece. What the hell am I doing? Now I think I'm literally just gonna let this sit here for like 10 more minutes and I'll be back. Okay, I probably scrolled on TikTok for like 15 minutes or longer. Okay. You can see the whole entire lace, but give it some time. Trust the process. Okay, now I'm gonna like do the edges and tie down the hair again. I'm really lazy when it comes to wigs, and I have no patience. to get it like absolutely perfect. I don't know why my hairline looks so square in this area. And I'm tying down the hair again. Now I'm gonna go damp the hair and I'll be back. Okay, so I was gonna wet it, but then I was like looking at it and I was like, it's kind of giving. Like, I kind of like how it is. So I'm just gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. Okay, I did my makeup. It's very natural. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off now. Ow, 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 ow. Maybe I should wet it a little. Or I'm gonna put this foam in it first. The line in my forehead from how tight that thing was squeezing me. I usually don't like middle parts with curly hair. All right, folks, that is it for the video. I'm gonna put all the details on the screen again somewhere. Shout out to UNice Hair for sending me this wig. It's so pretty. I think it's actually one of my favorites ever. It's definitely giving Beyonce. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow all of my social medias. They'll be linked down below.